This is West Stow Anglo-Saxon Village. It's in Suffolk, in England, and it shows what life was like here over 1,500 years ago. The Anglo-Saxons were a group of tribes from northern Germany. They invaded Britain in the 5th century and settled in this area. Today, we can see their influence everywhere, most importantly in the language we speak. We now call the Anglo-Saxon language Old English, and there are still lots of similarities between English and German. The German word for man is Mann, field is Feld, and house is Haus. But modern English is very different to Old English. The vocabulary is much larger than before. This is because modern English takes influences from many other languages. One of the earliest languages to influence English came in 800 AD, when the Vikings arrived from Denmark and Norway. This is York. In Viking times, the city was called Jorvik, and modern visitors can see the Vikings' influence everywhere. This is Micklegate. The name means Great Street, gate coming from gata, the old Viking word for street. A lot of York's streets have the word gate in their name. There's High and Low Petergate, two of York's most historic places, and Stonegate, one of the city's busiest streets. The Vikings gave English around 2,000 words. So, when we put a ball in a bag, or we're happy because we have cake, we can thank the Vikings. The next big influence on the English language arrived on this field in 1066, when the Normans, from France, conquered England in one of the most important battles in English history. The Normans spoke French, and for 300 years they ruled England. French became the language of the ruling classes, while Old English was still the language of most ordinary people. But over time, French words entered the language, and today there are lots of French words in English. English is now the first language of many different countries, including the USA, and millions of people learn it as a second, third, or fourth language. It's now the language of the internet too. It has given the world words like email, inbox, download, toolbar, and firewall. And some experts say that over half of the most popular websites are in English. It's amazing to think that it all started in small villages like this.